Hi, this is Lydia Doherty here on Tuesday the 25th. And it's Mardi Gras, Fat Tuesday. Happy, safe Mardi Gras. Don't drink too much. And I had my scones this morning with my coffee, celebrating my own way at home. And I'm doing this video to show you what I've been up to since it's been a while that I posted a video. And there are some that are hoping I will again, and so here we are. I wanted to show you that I've been making some scrunchies, all kinds of colors, and beads too, also to matching colors, and some of those are gone. I'm making more, and so this is what it looks like. I don't have yarn stuck to it. The yarn that I have just picked up is for another project, one that Cinnamon Stitches give us to do, and I believe it is like a corner to corner that I'm working on with the turn at the bottom and the 3 double stitches. Here's another one. I got a matching bracelet to go with it, and here we go. Then I have some beads. I will be using some of my lavender and some of my pinks. And so I have something I frogged out. It was bigger than this, and I'm going to try to get the pattern for the Highlanders shoulder wrap that I saw in the movie. That was so cute. I also mended a shawl that is goes over your shoulders. And I'm going to put this down for a minute because I got to have both hands turn this over to the screen and show you I've been doing this. And I've got somebody in mind to send it to. It's called the Serpentine. And Kristine Omdahl has designed this shawl, and fits well. I blocked it, and it's ready to be gifted. I love that lovely soap that she sells, and we all probably should learn more about the blocking and the different soaps you can use. I'm also wondering if we can use hair dye for dyeing our yarn with. If it's not taking, why not? You know, practice makes perfect. That I've seen on Amazon, there are different kinds of acid dyes and different things like that. So that's going to be my next process, is experimentation. And I got a Yippee, almost done. I'm just going to grab it. Doesn't have its little strings hanging from it yet. And I'm thinking about putting 2 of those eyebrows and then ping pong balls. And I'll probably do the fringe in the white, since the eyebrows are white. And I also plan on making a blue one with orange eyebrows. And so let me pause and get that yarn. Okay, I'm back. Here's the yarn I'm going to be using. And I grabbed this little hat I made. No specific pattern to it, but it's a little newborn hat. I use this color because it's also bully hat time, I think I heard, for the blue. And so that's going to be something to work on. Hi, I have to go and pause. This is what I'm learning to do, some cabling. And I'm hoping to get something done for Easter for my son, I think. Yeah. So I don't know if you can really see how the cabling's going along. It's sometimes eye-boggling me. But anyways, I put gray and brown together, and it's a pretty cool color, I think. Oh, well, as far as anything else goes, I think I showed you what I'm working on, what I have worked on, and what I'm almost done with. And I'm going to be busy with other crafts as well. I like doing so many different things, and I go back and forth. So the crochet and the knitting, helps with the hands and the shoulders. I also have I soak once in a while and just de-stress so I can do the frogging and have fun. So we celebrate today and every day with joy and love, and we pray for others to also be in such a happy place. Thank you all for watching and subscribing. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts of more inspiration you want to pass along. Anyways, the next thing I'm going to be doing is maybe the cinnamon stitches shawl with the shading of colors. I've got brown, black, and it's worsted weight, and it's she's using Premier, but I have Super Saver and the Red Heart. So there we are. Red heart upside down, red heart backwards. So I've got black and I've got brown. So I think that'll look good with a little bit of this off-white, and maybe even something that pops like this yarn right here, which is also red heart, and it's speckled. So I don't know if you can see, is it speckled? And it hasn't been used yet. So there we go. I'm showing you my scrunchies from KO, my shawl from KO, and the project from Cinnamon Stitches. And I'm so happy to watch all your lives, all your tutorials, and enjoy all the inspiration, and love to share back and say thank you. So have a good day, and we'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.